Welcome back to Innovation RC, guys. This here is a $3,500 RC car. It's a completely built Arrma Limitless with a 40 horsepower motor from Castle. Now, the last thing that I really need to personally worry about is where my bottom goes and if it's gonna even be comfortable when I do repair this thing. Easy. Ooh. And thankfully, I have this beautiful chair from Ewin. I understand this is a gaming chair, but I mean, I don't game that much. If I were to, ta-da, everything pretty much moves and adjusts to where basically where my hands are gonna be if I'm going to repair a car. Because repairs, they don't really take 10, 20 minutes. They could take an hour, 2 hours. I mean, if you're doing a full build, 5, 10 hours. And I'm very happy that I upgraded with this. I'm gonna show you guys some features in this sweet gaming chair from Ewin. This chair is top notch, just like the caliber at which these cars are built at. Carbon fiber, you can't get any higher grade than these. I feel like that with this chair. This chair is just phenomenal quality. It really is. Even doing this is entertaining in all honesty. Now I do have to tell you, I've been checking out Ewin Racing's Instagram for their gaming chairs and whatnot, and I mean, they have like a lot of cool stuff. They really do. Yeah, so make sure you check that out. First things first is pretty much the obvious. It comes with 2 different pillows, one in which is magnetic, and it is actually super duper strong. I'm pulling this whole chair just with the magnetic pillow alone. This one is not, it just goes on your lower back, and that right there actually helps me when I want to do any kind of repair for a long time. My lower back always starts to hurt. So basically you can adjust the bolster up and down, and then with that one in and out, which is pretty cool. It's like a literal car, like a real car seat, not just a RC car. So I really like this thing. A lot of adjustability for what you want as well. So anyway, it's got all ball bearings all the way around. It supports higher load. It's just going to be super smooth, and it's going to last a much longer time than, let's say, a bushing or anything, just a friction kind of medium that the chair would want to glide on. So anyway, ball bearings is the way to go. That's what this thing has. It's going to last forever. I really like these things. They're magnetic. You could take them on and off if need be. They're also very nice and cushiony, which I can genuinely appreciate. But for this real quick, what I'm going to do is actually take this off. You can see the adjustment points. This button is to swivel it left or right. This one right here is to go in and out just a little bit. It's about an inch on each side, which actually makes a difference. And this one here is like a paddle shifter, literally like on a sports car, which is pretty cool. And it locks just like that. It is so easy to use. It really is. And it just locks in place. And then, I mean, you could really keep this thing on the whole time. There's no reason to take it off, but in shipment, they have it off. All right, so let's just say I'm about to work on a car right now. Right side, up. Left side, up. And I'm also holding the GoPro in one hand, and I can pretty much just rest my arms just like this. How easy is that? And it is actually, for the most part, pretty level with the table. So when you're doing something, let's say soldering or anything like that, or even working on a car right over here, my arms are not straining at all. Now let's say I'm done working. What I'm gonna wanna do is put the armrest down. Based on the height or the size of your desk or whatever, I'm gonna wanna go down just like that. And what's really cool is that this thing gets stored away underneath even a very, very low quality, smaller version of a table. It really saves a lot of space. It's about 8 inches in that way. So instead of it being all the way out to here, in which you really can't, let's say, adjust it to where everything can go underneath, it easily makes that, which is amazing. And it saves a lot of room and space, which is incredible. Now there is actually a little lever over here. If you guys can see, I pull that, it allows me to lay back enough to where I think I'm gonna fall over, but I don't. I'm literally laying almost 90 degrees back. And the pivot of this chair is just immaculate. It really is. I mean, I could actually go to sleep in this thing. And what I'm gonna do real quick is hit this little lever again. You see how it goes up slow? I really like that. So basically, if you hit that lever, it's not gonna bam! It's not gonna hit you in the back. Now, if you guys wanna get any of these sweet chairs, and of course they come in many different colors and styles and whatnot, I'll have a link right up there so you can click and you can check them all out. They have quite a bit of a selection, they really do. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more. I appreciate every single one of you who watch. And if you guys are interested in any of these chairs, they come in many different colors and styles that might match your theme or your desire of what you may like more. So I'll have a link right up there so you guys can check that out, as well as the description. Make sure you give it a quick look. It's pretty cool stuff, honestly. This is no doubt the highest quality chair I have ever sat in or laid in, I guess. Badass chair. Ewin Racing, you guys really knocked out of the park with this one. Now, I appreciate all of you guys for watching. Make sure you stay safe and have a good one.